Okay, this is part 2 of that shift knob replacement. Anyway, so right here's the part number. You don't need that. It's just, this is what you get. That's what we have. So the first thing you want to do is push this through, pop it out like that. And if you can see here, there's little tabs, like clips. Those got to be pushed in to release this. So I got my handy screwdriver. Just get 2 of them. Since this is the old one, you could actually just break those tabs because you're not going to use it again. I just pushed them to break the tab. So you just break these tabs. You don't need that. And it's only going to go in one way. It has the little just push. Heard the little click. And then we're going to pop that back on and you're good to go. Hopefully that is helpful on how to do it. Pretty simple.